You know, I leave for 2 seconds. Here's the bathroom, and I come back to this. WNG 676 has gone off the air. Spooky. Very spooky indeed. Oh, wait, shoot, there's still time for me to catch.
Wages and benefit packages, including 401k plus match and weekly direct
Come on, please relay this. Please relay this.
Or call 866-800-8000. And for more information, check out their Facebook page.
Extreme Country Weather sponsored by GDF Enterprises in Wyndham.
GDF Enterprises in Wyndham wants to introduce you to Ben Peterson. Ben is their GDF.
Yes! Getting this on 2 stations.
The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lyon County in northwestern Iowa, Osceola County in northwestern Iowa, Dickinson County in northwestern Iowa, northeastern Sioux County in northwestern Iowa, Clay County in northwestern Iowa, O'Brien County in northwestern Iowa, southeastern Rock County in southwestern Minnesota, Jackson County in southwestern Minnesota, southern Nobles County in southwestern Minnesota, south central Cottonwood County in southwestern Minnesota until 7:30 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ellsworth to near Cleghorn, moving east at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Paulina around 6:50 p.m. Sutherland around 6:55 p.m. Sibley and Peterson around 7 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Worthington, Ocheaven, Brewster, Round Lake, Greenville, Lake Park, Harris, Webb, Milford, Lakefield, Okoboji, Orleans, Waukegan, West Okoboji, Spirit Lake, Jackson in Jackson County, Arnold
Jackson
Park,
in Jackson
Superior
County?
and Killenwood State Park.
How many Jacksons
For your
are there?
permission, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm
Creative.
has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Lyon, Sioux, O'Brien, Clay, Dickinson, and Osceola, and the following counties.
And you ran out of time. Good job.